एनएलपी के अनुसार एक फॉर्मूला दी गई है कि गोल, व्हाट इज़ गोल? सो ड्रीम प्लस डेट इज इक्वल टू गोल। और उसमें हम लोग ने अपने स्टडीज से ऐड किया है कि गोल प्लस एक्शन इज इक्वल टू आउटकम। ऐसा कहा जाता है कि ऑल मेन ऑफ एक्शन आर बिग ड्रीमर्स।
कहे कहता रहे कितना भी हमको दीवाना, कोई कहे कहता रहे कितना भी हमको दीवाना, हम लोगों की ठोकर में है ये जमाना।
Pallab is not only a good musician, but he is a greater human being. Something which appealed to me right away, which was he is a thinking musician. He is not just stuck to his keyboard. આખો વખત અમે જ્યારે સાથે હોઈએ ત્યારે પલ્લવ પાસે કેટલા બધા વિષયો ઉપર વાતો હોય એની, અને he is very well read, he is very well informed. And more than anything else, I think Pallab is a very conscious and a very dedicated citizen of this country, because he doesn't only think of himself or his family. We were discussing and he came up with this whole movement which was dealing with the issue of suicide in youngsters, especially in metros and big cities. And Pallab would always be very concerned why these youngsters have to commit suicide, why they have to end their lives so early in life. And he started a wonderful movement, and I think his initiatives have really helped people. His initiatives have helped many children actually. And what I see is, as what he was singing, that he means what he is saying. Hosla, what he said just now, that he is very, very confident of himself, he is very confident of what he is doing. And I think it's very rare that you find a combination like this, which is someone who is so very dedicated to various social causes, at the same time someone who's such a fantastic musician. I compliment and congratulate Pallab for this initiative, and you don't have to thank me. Actually, I'm here not as a celebrity or as an artist, but I'm here as a friend this evening. And my best wishes to both your very, very talented children, to your family. And I will always pray to God that may you succeed in all your future endeavors in this direction.
I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. I think about it every night. Spread my wings and fly away. I believe I can soar. Catch me going through that open door. I believe I can fly.
Thank you.
I believe the children are our future. Teach them well and let them lead the way. Show them all the beauty they possess inside. Give them a sense of pride to make it easier. Let the children's laughter remind us how we used to.
जैसे मैंने कहा कि बिलीफ इन सेल्फ, उसके लिए पापा ने एक कोड बनाया, एक शॉर्ट फॉर्म बनाया है, लारा। आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट लारा दत्ता और ब्रायन लारा। लारा का फुल फॉर्म है लव योर सेल्फ, एक्सेप्ट योर सेल्फ, रिस्पेक्ट योर सेल्फ एंड अप्रिशिएट योर सेल्फ वर्थ.
There's a hero. If you look inside your heart, you don't have to be afraid of what you are. There's an answer. If you reach into your soul, and the sorrow that you know will melt away.
And then the hero comes along
With the strength to carry on, and you cast your fears aside, and you know you can survive. So when you feel like hope is gone, look inside you and be strong, and you finally see the truth that a hero lies in you.
स्पीक आउट. सब गा रहे हैं, सब बोल रहे हैं, सो वाई मैं क्यों चुप रहूं? So the only reason that is making us suffer from low confidence is belief in self.
वो सुबह कभी तो आएगी, वो सुबह कभी तो आएगी. इन काली सदियों के सर से जब रात का चल ढलकेगा, जब दुख के बादल पिघलेंगे, जब सुख का सागर छलकेगा, जब अंबर झूम के नाचेगा, जब धरती नगमे गाएगी, वो सुबह कभी तो आएगी, वो सुबह कभी तो आएगी.
यही है कि कई लोग जो हमें पता नहीं है ऐसे डायरेक्शन पे इतना सोशल काम कर रहे हैं. मतलब एक तरफ आतंकवाद है, लेकिन उसके सामने ये भी इतना ही मजबूत है, और हम और आप मिलके ही ये मोमेंटम कर सकते हैं. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आपको एक्टिविज्म करना है या झंडा लेके दौड़ना है. आप पहले अपने में परिवर्तन लाए और अपने आप संसार बदलने लगेगा. क्यों नहीं?
So can we take a decision that from today on I will make the rest of my life the best of my life.